300 people are going to attempt a Guinness World Record mass cube solve. But this is no ordinary record, and this is no ordinary cube. It has been specifically designed by Rubik for DePaul, UK, and is hopefully going to raise a lot of money for charity. Now let's get inside, see what we can see, meet who we can meet, and find out what's happening. Yeah!
My name's Will Taylor. I'm from Saffron Walden County High School, and we've brought 17 kids along today to solve the cube, hopefully try and break a world record.
Okay, more than halfway through, thank you.
This is no ordinary cube. It's been custom made by Rubik's for DePaul, UK. And this is David. He's the boss of the Rubik's team.
Hi, Will. It's great to be here. As you say, this was made specially to represent the different aspects of the problems of homelessness today. I was a key speaker at the DePaul conference last year, and that's when the idea of trying to break the world record came to me. So we've got lots of DePaul volunteers. Some of the homeless people that they helped during the year have also learned how to solve the cube, and members of the public, and we hope we're going to have over 300 today. We've pledged to put into the pot £100 for every person who solves. So if you get 300 solvers, that'll be £30,000. But in addition to that, there are lots of companies who are putting in money, and the individuals from the schools who are taking part are also pledging and have got sponsorship. So we should be well north of that figure.
This is Paul Marriott from DePaul, UK, to tell us more about this and more about the event.
Well, I'm the Chief Executive here at DePaul, and we provide safe accommodation for young people. We try and prevent youth homelessness, and we provide opportunities for young people who are homeless to make a positive contribution and begin to live an independent life. The cube is a great metaphor for youth homelessness. Young people become homeless, their lives get messed up, so what we do is we provide a variety of services, and each side of the cube represents what we do. So the white side represents work in the community, getting people from the community involved, supporting young people. The orange face of the cube represents accommodation. The most basic thing that people need is somewhere to live. The yellow side represents the work that young people do out into the community, becoming volunteers, getting them active in the community, feeling valued members of the community. That's a really important part of what we do. Family mediation is really important. The red represents that because the majority of young people become homeless because of family breakdown, and most of the young people we help end up going back home. A lot of them come to become homeless after a period in prison, so this side represents resettlement out of prison into safe accommodation. And the final side of the cube is like a podium. It's representing the training work that we do, helping young people get qualifications and get ahead in life.
This whole mad enterprise, I have to say, was my idea, so playing live with me. We are very, very close to the record. We have more than 300 people in this room. It's a great record. We need everybody to try as hard as they can to complete the cube.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, is there anybody in the room who hasn't got a cube in front of them? Excellent. 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
nice photographs. Thank you to the invigilators. Thank you, invigilators. Big thank you to the DePaul volunteers who helped scramble the 400 cubes.
Well, I timed this on my competition timer and got 24 seconds. Wow. So it's not as fast as I would normally get, but you know, I think it's decent. My name is Jean-Pierre. I have come on a DePaul program, and I was part of the Drive Ahead program with DePaul on the Spokes project, it's called, from what I remember. And I've come here to do the Rubik's Cube challenge, and I've been practicing whilst on the course, and I've got pretty efficient at it, so that's great. Oh, and the analogy is quite correct, that life is like a Rubik's Cube, but sometimes the people that are in this situation need to know that they're in a Rubik's Cube situation, and then they need to solve some of their life issues, and DePaul helps people do that.
Wow, what a day. We smashed the Guinness World Record, raising £33,000 for charity. This is not a normal cube. Watch out for the record break next year. See you next time, guys.
This is Carl, and he's come down from Yorkshire for the event. Carl, tell us about it.
Basically, I saw it on Facebook about 2 days ago, and I'm obsessed with the cube. As you can see, I made this belt myself, just came down here, stopped over at a mate's house, and now I'm here to break the world record.